In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split screen in CapCut PC. If you want to show two videos at the same time, either side by side or stacked in a clean split screen layout, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. The process is quick, and once you understand how the masking works, you can reuse the same method for all kinds of comparison videos, reaction clips, tutorials, or before and after edits. To get started, the first thing we need to do is layer the footage correctly on the timeline. Drag your first video down onto track lane 1, then take your second video and drag it onto track lane 2, directly above the first clip, so both videos are stacked on top of each other. This part is important because CapCut uses the top clip as the one we'll mask, while the bottom clip stays visible underneath. If your clips aren't aligned the way you want, just make sure they overlap at the same point in the timeline so they play together at the same time. Once your clips are stacked, we can create the actual split. Click on the top video in track lane 2 so it's selected. Then go over to the top right properties panel, click Video, open the Mask tab, and choose the Split Mask tool. This is what creates the dividing line between the two videos and lets you reveal part of the top clip while keeping the rest of the bottom clip visible. Now it's time to line everything up so it looks clean and intentional. In the preview screen, find the rotation handle on the mask line and rotate it to 90 degrees if you want a side-by-side split. After that, move the line left or right to place the border exactly where you want it. This controls how much of each clip appears on screen. If the framing feels off, click each clip in your timeline one at a time and go to the Basic tab to adjust its position. This helps you center the subjects properly inside their half of the frame, so neither side feels cramped or awkwardly cropped. Take a moment here to fine-tune the placement until both shots feel balanced. A small adjustment can make a big difference in how polished the final result looks. And that's it. Once your mask line is set and both clips are positioned nicely, your split screen effect is ready to go in CapCut PC.